Hello and welcome. This is step 12, the final topic in this section. And when looking about installing some security features to our site, we still added the Google authentication method by adding the reCAPTCHA, but there's one more last step that you can do to secure your site. We still have site lock, so it's not really important step because site lock is the main purpose is to scan our site. You see, we don't have to install plugin like backup buddy, update plus. We don't have to take backup regularly because that is managed by HostGator. And the plugin that I'm going to show you, you don't have to really install it, but I want to show you for the sake of knowledge purpose. And if you have a site where you don't have these features built in, then you still have to use this kind of features, right? But we don't have to use this plugin because we have a feature called site lock, and using site lock our site is been locked and been scanned every now and then to verify if any viruses or bugs are there on our site. Okay, but let me show you what plugin that you can install. Go to install plugin and add new. This is a plugin named Sukuri. This is one of the famous WordPress security plugin available out there. So you can install it on the sites which is not managed by any other third-party security system. For us, we have HostGator site lock, which actually manages our site. So I'm going to show you the two things, site lock and basically the back. So I'm logging into portal.hostgator.com to show you the two options. Go to your hosting. Click on this settings and you see code guard and site lock. So site lock is basically the security plugin that we have just seen, and code guard is like your backup buddy plugin that you can install if you don't have these two options. Okay, so the two options basically saved us two different plugin, and those plugin basically are gonna take a lot of resources on your site. So it's been offloaded from your website to run your WordPress website faster. Click on this, you can just go ahead and do the configuration. They have a configuration on it. You can go ahead and manage and do that. So I'm not going to go into the details yet. I'm going to take a separate section on it. But as of now, to wrap up the session, I think we have seen a lot of things here. We have seen a basic step you can use to create the whole website. I've taken my time to build this website just to show you that how it is done, not to actually go and do all the website development activities. I gave you a blueprint for you to execute. These are the steps you can use and execute for any site in the future development, and it's for free. This is basically, I want to show you that these steps will basically help you to reach to a point wherein you have a ready to use website and you can start adding your content from here. Okay, so we have done our purchases on GoDaddy. We have done our purchase on HostGator. Then we have clubbed or linked the domain name with our hosting server. Then we have logged into the hosting server, and then we have configured our WordPress. Then we have installed so many plugins, deleted, cleaned it up. Then we have installed the required plugins, and now and then we are checking the speed. We improve the speed from what the speed that you by default you'll get when you purchase the package. And then we have created some post and pages, and then we have modified some of the menu options and the footer option. Well, I understand that's very, very basic things that I've shown you, but those are the very powerful things, and those are very important steps that you have to execute for every website project that you're going to do in future. I believe you have learned something out of this sharing, and thanks for listening to this, and see you in the next course. Until then, happy blogging. Bye.